So first you want to start off with your chords. I got it down on the piano. Then you're just gonna copy that. You're gonna put in your super saw. So what I did in order to make it like sound like Ella Foley, I just took a fruity balance and I put it in and I just started like automating it. I just right click, press create automation, and then I just started messing with the volume right here. And then we got this. And I got this little filter right here to make it sound like let me show you the difference. You can play with the reverb, like as you can see right here, like it comes in a little bit earlier. Increase that effect, you know what I'm saying? Then you're just gonna wanna throw in the bass. Then you're gonna start making some fillers in between. You're gonna start with the drums. And up here we got the little side chains. Snare. All together we get this.